Hey guys, it's G. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup video. Now I miss doing makeup videos so much, but I thought I'd bring it back and basically give you a little review on this yummy, scrumptious, mouth-watering, sexy thing. So this is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry. So this is the brand new palette that is just released. I did very kindly get sent this palette from Urban Decay, but this is no sponsorships. They've not sponsored me to say any of this. This is my 100% honest opinion, no matter what. And I just thought it would be quite a popular palette to review. I know that a lot of people will probably want to know what it's like and if it's good enough to buy. Is it worth it? Like, do you spend the coin on it? But yeah, I basically do this look, which as you can see is so beautiful. I basically give you kind of like a mini review. So if you want to know how to recreate this eyeshadow look with also a little review on the shades and stuff like that, then just carry on watching. So this is the brand spanking new Urban Decay Naked Cherry. So this is literally the newest of the Naked family. This is so pretty. It has a gorgeous packaging. It's got like little cherries in the background and then has the normal text. The packaging is stunning. I love this so much. The packaging is beautiful. I think it's very similar to the Naked Heat, which again is like one of my favourite palettes, the Naked Heat. So as you can see, the colours are very burgundy, pink tones, peach, very peachy as well, like peachy, burgundy, pinks, all on the neutral side. So it's like the neutral side of the burgundies and the peaches, which is absolutely stunning. So if you love your burgundies and your peach colours, this would be the palette for you. I know my mum is already obsessed with this because I know she loves wearing this shade of, you know, eyeshadow. It suits everybody. So Urban Decay have done a really good job for making a palette that is pretty much for everyone. Literally the colours are just stunning. Like as you can see, it is just, oh, okay. So you do get 12 shades, and in that you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 7 mattes and then the rest are shimmers. So you get a good few mattes, way better than the Naked original. But the mattes are amazing in this. I love using like the darker ones, and then you get like quite, you know, the neutral side of it as well. So it literally is perfect if you're a heavy makeup lover or if you just want something for every day, for work or whatever. This is really good. So I'm actually going to be taking this shade here, which is called Caution. I just love this for the transition. Even this and like mixed with this would look really nice for an everyday, very subtle, no makeup look. But for the transition, I'm going to use this shade here, which is called Caution. It is absolutely perfect. It's the most perfect beige. Oh yeah, and I also forgot, you also get a double-ended brush, which is so cute. So you get a super fluffy tapered brush, and then on the other side you get a smudger or a very like small finger brush, which I love for smudging out the outer corner. So again, you get a brush with it as well, so we love a duo. Oh, she creased. So like, as you can see, even just blending that is just so stunning. I really do love that. And it is a a very light shade, but if you're not really wanting to wear much makeup for one day, this would look so cute with like mascara and lashes. And it's just like a really easy, simple eyeshadow. It's like, it's there, but it's not there. You know what I mean? Like, I can see you, but I also can't see you. I don't know, I love this shade. Yeah, but that is Caution. So far we can't find. Wait. So the next shade I'm going to be taking, again in the crease, but this time I'm going to more blend it to the outer corner as well, just to start building this area up of the eye. I'm actually going to be taking the shade Feels. This is a really pretty mauve shade. Feels is described as a soft, Dusty Rose Matte, which I completely agree. It is the perfect dusty rose colour. When like I remember when like the Instagram makeup was all about the dusty rose, this is the colour. It is so pretty. I've just dropped the palette. And I've got eyeshadow all over the bed.
I've got eyeshadow all over my beautiful bed.
And then I'm just going to blend this where I just basically put the transition colour. And again, I'm really using such a light hand with this. The lighter you are with a brush, the more blended it's going to be. The more rough you are, the more of patchiness and all of that is going to happen. So the lighter you are with it, the better. It's a beautiful shade. And you know, like you guys know, I'm not a huge fan of pinks, peaches, or like any kind of mauve shades. But because I've like recently changed my hair, I'm still kind of going into like the process of changing my hair still. But because I've changed it even more at the moment, like it's a lot more grey, I do think that my hair has definitely changed my opinions on pinks, and I actually kind of like these purple mauvey shades. Just very gently dragging this out now. Ooh, girl. She is blended. Waha. I'll be there for you, but you gotta be there for me too. This shade right here on the very end, so it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 to the end of the palette, and this is the shade Devilish, which is very relatable because if I was a shade name, it would be Devilish because hello, I am pretty much the devil. I'm Satan. This shade is actually stunning. Devilish is the most stunning smoky, like burgundy purple shade. On the website, they have described Devilish as a reddish plum matte. So yeah, it definitely isn't more pinky. It has definitely got a very slight red undertone, but you don't really see it. But it's the perfect plum to really blend with these kind of shades. So I'm just popping that in the crease. But with this brush now, so I'm actually going to be taking the Naked Cherry brush, which I just adore. This is possibly one of my favourite brushes they've brought out. I love the packaging, it's so stunning. But this side is incredible. It's the perfect smoke out wing kind of brush. Like, it really just gives you the smoky look that you want. I love this brush, like, oh. So I'm just going to take this and then apply it in the crease and then really smoke it out at the end. Almost to like join the lash line. I really do blend out like you wouldn't believe now. I do find that Decay definitely produce the best eyeshadows, I will admit. And the eyeshadows do blend like a dream. And each palette is just getting better and better, and I will admit, like, this is beautiful how it's just blending. Like, you can see it on the camera, like it is so stunning how it blends all together. Obviously on the edge we are going to clean that up, so don't worry, you can be as messy as you want. Now I would normally do this before foundation, but just for the purpose of this video I'm just already have my base on and kind of things, you know, just to save time. But you will just clean up at the end, and to clean up I'm just going to use a little sponge, but I'm not doing that just yet. We're going to add even more smokiness. Now we've done that, we're actually going to take the other side of this little Naked Cherry brush, which I just love, and I'm actually going to go in with the darkest matte shade in the palette, which is this one right here, which is called Privacy, because girl, we need privacy for this smokiness. Like, jeez, this is going to be so, it's just going to be everything. This shade at the very end, Privacy, is a deep brownish plum matte. Again, it's described on the website as that, and I really would agree with that. It definitely is a dark plum matte. It is very stunning. It's the perfect plum to go in, as you can see. Blend it out, it just looks so perfect with all the other colours. Every single colour in this palette just complement each other beautifully. Applying this to the outer corner against the lash line, rubbing it against the lashes, and then kind of from there smoking it outwards. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. So I'm actually going to take this shade here, which is called Hotspot. This is the most perfect matte for the inner corner, and I'm basically just going to add this to really brighten the inner corner up. And as you can tell, it's very pigmented. Oh yes. It's just so blinding as well. I love this, and this was so popular like a few years back, and I'm still obsessed with it. All these many years, I'm still obsessed. I need to get a new one because this is so good. You need to see it. If you haven't already, swatch Urban Decay Sin Highlighter. You just won't regret it. I'm just gonna pop my brush just in the palette. I'm just popping this in the inner corners. A tiny bit on my nose. A glow baby was born again. Oh. Just gonna add some to my collarbones. And then for lips, I'm just going to be taking a more of a neutral but rose warm, beautiful lip liner, and I'm just going to line my lips just to really tie it all in. And with lip liner, when you apply lip liner, you always go up instead of down because you really want to make your lips look fuller, and it's the better way of doing it. So going upwards is the most perfect way to line your lips. Oh yes! I love this look. I actually really love this look. I'm so happy. Okay, I need to take my glasses off because I can't film like this, but we're done. How fab is this look? Oh. So the overall verdict, I really like this palette. So this is out now, you can get it on Urban Decay's website for £42, so a little bit more expensive, but I do really think it's worth it because the packaging is definitely a lot more expensive and it's much better quality. The shadows, you get a lot more mattes, they are so blendable, so creamy, so buttery, and for people, like for literally, this is for all my queens who love the burgundies, the peaches, the pinks, the mauve shades, the autumnal pink neutral shades. This is for you. Like, this will be perfect for you. I know that this is going to be quite a popular palette and it's not something that I would normally like, but I really like it, and my eyes I'm definitely so happy with. I really like how they turned out. I really do recommend this palette, and the link in the description will be to this palette so you can get it. But yeah, I really do recommend this palette. Urban Decay always bring out fab palettes. I'm sure they have a lipstick to match as well, but if you're just looking for the palette and you kind of want a good neutral but pinky burgundy palette, this is the one for you. It's a lot more subtle, but you can also smoke it up a little bit, which is perfect. It's like day to night cherry. I love it so much. Yeah.
Oh, okay. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit, Mama.
Bye-bye.
Bye, love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Bye. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this style of video. I really did enjoy doing a little mini review of the Urban Decay Naked Cherry. I really do love this, and I had so much fun creating this look for you. I really liked it, something different. I never do this colour or this style anyway. Like, I never do it, never. So I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you like it. Comment down below if you've tried this, or what other naked palettes you have in your collection, or what is your go-to palette. Let me know in the comments, and I'm going to love you and leave you now, but I will see you in my next video. Mwah.